Hello everyone, welcome to Share It. Hope you all are staying safe during this coronavirus pandemic. Even though we have many platforms to read regarding the updates of coronavirus, still people have many doubts what they need to practice actually to prevent spreading of infection. So today in this video we will talk about the preventive measures which everybody needs to follow to prevent spreading of infection. The first and foremost thing is we have to perform a good hand hygiene. Hand hygiene is very important. You can do hand hygiene by two ways, either using soap and water or else you can use alcohol based hand sanitizers. Hand washing is preferred when you're going out and coming back. You have to wash your hands thoroughly, following all the steps of hand washing. Each and every steps of hand washing have its rationale behind it. So you need to follow all the steps and perform a hand hygiene for minimum 20 seconds. If you want, I can put the link of the video in the description box, steps of hand washing, or else you can click the I button above and you can watch the video and follow all the steps. And before and after you have food, you have to perform hand hygiene, and before and after going to toilet, you have to perform hand hygiene. And also whenever you are wearing the mask and removing it, that time also you need to wash your hands thoroughly. And the second thing is wear good PPE. PPE in the sense personal protective equipments. There are separate personal protective equipments for healthcare professionals when they are going to take care of patients with coronavirus. And as a common man, you have to wear a mask whenever you are going out. This will prevent two things. It will prevent yourself from getting infected, and the second thing is if you are infected, and you can prevent spreading of infection to other people. So you have to wear a good triple layered mask to prevent droplet infection. Droplet infection is, as we all know, that coronavirus spread by droplet infection. Whenever an affected person sneezes or coughs, the droplets which are coming out can infect another person. That is termed as droplet infection. So to prevent that, you have to wear a mask. There are various things which you need to take care when you are wearing a mask. And there are two types of masks. You have disposable mask and cloth mask available. If you are using a cloth mask, wash it thoroughly and then use it again. If you are using a disposable one, you have to use only once and then discard it properly. And after removal of the disposable mask, you have to discard it in a proper place. You are not supposed to discard it on the floor or else road and all. It is not advised. You have to discard it in a proper place. And the next thing is, whenever you are coughing and sneezing, you are not supposed to do it openly. Either you can use a tissue to cover your mouth and nose, then you can sneeze. And after sneezing, you are not supposed to touch the inner portion of the tissue. You should discard it in a proper place. Or else what we can do is, you can use the inner portion of your elbow to cover your mouth and nose, and then you can sneeze like this. This is also practiced. These are the two things which you need to follow to prevent spreading of infection to other people. And the next thing is maintain social distancing. Social distancing we can practice by maximum you should try to sit in the home itself. And even if you want to go out, don't interact with the people very closely. You have to maintain a distance and then you will talk. If we are doing so, it will also reduce the risk of infection to other people and also to yourself. So everybody is advised to maintain good social distance, and unnecessary outings must be avoided. And if you have elderly people and children in your home, taking them out is not so good for their health. They are more vulnerable than us, so they will get infected soon. So unnecessary outings with them should be avoided. The next thing is maintain a good immunity. Maintaining a good immunity is very important, because even if you are getting infected with the coronavirus, it will help you to reduce the complications. So that's why we are saying that the elder people, children, pregnant ladies, people with comorbidities like hypertension, diabetes mellitus and any other illness, they are at higher risk because their immunity is very low. So maintaining a good immunity is very important. You can do it by following a proper diet, proper lifestyle, by doing exercise and all. And you have to include all types of food in your diet, including fruits which is rich in vitamin C, and you have to drink plenty of water. These are the practices which will help you to boost your immunity. Boosting your immunity in this pandemic is very important. The last and very important thing is read only updates from trusted sources. And there are many fake news we are getting through WhatsApp and many other social medias. Don't trust it. We have many trusted sources, like you can log into the website of WHO and you can read the updates, and newspapers and news will give you correct updates. And don't trust completely on the messages which you are forwarding to the WhatsApp. And each and every one have responsibility to avoid spreading fake news. So whenever you are getting a message on WhatsApp or Messenger, what you are supposed to do is think twice before you share it to other people. And unnecessary fake news can cause anxiety among other people, so it is not good for their health too. So we have to avoid spreading fake news. We say teamwork is the best work. We have to work as a team to prevent and defeat this coronavirus. We have efficient and responsible government with us. We have talented doctors and nurses with us. What is lacking is the cooperation of all the people around us, including us. And we have to cooperate with the government policies, and whatever the health professionals are advising, we have to follow it. And that is the correct way of preventing and the spreading of infection. That was all about the prevention of infection. You all can practice this to prevent spreading of infection to other people, also to prevent yourself getting infected. So hope you find this video informative. If you find so, you can share this video, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. If you want any other videos regarding this, you can put a comment in the comment section. We will try to do it in the coming days. Thank you for watching.